Dear students, we are in the program of JEE Bridge course for junior JEE students. Bridge course program. In the Bridge course program, we are in Trigonometry chapter. In the chapter Trigonometry, in previous classes, we discussed the formulae, concept, theory, and everything. From yesterday onwards, we started the sums. Now, let us do the solved problems. Depends upon the formulae and concept. Solved problems. I am starting here exercise. Before going to discuss exercise 6A, some examples are there in mathematics 1A. This is maths 1A. Page 229. Solve problems 229, 230. Solved problems 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 12 sums are there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fourth question. If sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. If sin theta is equal to 4 by 5 and theta is not in first quadrant, find the value of cos theta. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Theta is not in first quadrant. Theta is not in first quadrant. Find cos theta. So the value of cos theta we need to calculate. Now, whenever sin theta is equal to 44 by 5, theta is not in first quadrant. Since theta does not belongs to Q1, so we can understand theta belongs to Q2. Because whenever the sin theta is not in first quadrant, sin theta is positive. According to all silver teacups formula, all means in first quadrant all are positive and second quadrant sin theta and cosec theta are positive, remaining are negative. So you can understand here theta belongs to Q2 because sin theta 4 by 5 he given, which is positive. So cos theta formula you can write root of 1 minus sin square theta. Put minus here. We have the formula cos theta is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Since theta belongs to Q2 here, you can put minus of, because cos theta is negative in second quadrant. 1 minus this is 4 by 5 whole square. So cos theta is equal to minus root of 1 minus 16 by 25. That is equal to minus of root of taken LCM. This is 1. So this is 25 minus 16 whole by 25. 25 minus 16 becomes minus 9 by 25. Therefore, cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 5. This is the correct answer. Now, fifth question. Yesterday I said 3 questions. Today we discuss these questions. Fifth question. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3, if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3, find sin theta and determine theta lies in which quadrant. Determine theta lies in which quadrant. This is the question. We discussed the formula if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. I said the formula in proof also. So now we can write here secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Let us write here secant theta minus tan theta is equal to its reverse reciprocal 3 by 2. Put it is 1 and this is 2. Now if we are adding these two equations, we can get 2 secant theta is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So 2 secant theta is equal to, taking LCM here, this is 6, this is 2, these are 4 plus 2, these are 9, it is 13 by 6. Therefore secant theta you can write 13 by 6. 13 by 6 we got secant theta. Now we can do secant theta minus tan theta. Now we can write 1 minus 2. Now I am writing 1 minus 2. First equation minus second equation becomes secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. And here secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. Subtract, it becomes minus and this is plus. You can write 2 tan theta is equal to 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. So by taking LCM, here it is 6, this is 4 minus 9 minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. Now we can understand tan theta is equal to, here 2 secant is equal to 13 by 6 and secant theta becomes 13 by 12. Tan theta is equal to minus 5 by 12. You can understand secant theta is positive. Secant theta is positive we got and tan theta negative we got. Tan theta is less than 0. So secant theta is positive and tan theta is negative in only fourth quadrant. Therefore theta belongs to Q4. In fourth quadrant, secant theta positive and tan theta negative. Now we should calculate the value of sin theta. Now sin theta is equal to tan theta. If we write tan theta by secant theta, it becomes sin theta by cos theta by 1 by cos theta. Tan theta by secant theta. Tan theta by secant theta you can understand sin theta by cos theta whole by 1 by cos theta. Cos theta get cancelled. Now minus 5 by 12 whole by 13 by 12. That becomes minus 5 by 13. Whenever secant minus 5 by 13, here we got theta belongs to Q4, that is equal to, then sin theta also minus 5 by 13 we got. Whenever theta belongs to Q4, sin theta is also negative. Let us going to write sixth question, page number 230. Prove that cot 5 by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 5 by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, so on is given until 7 pi by 16. So on cot 7 pi by 16 is equal to 1. We take LHS here. Cot pi by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16 cot 4 pi by 60 into cot 5 pi by 60 into cot 6 pi by 60 into cot 7 pi by 60. Cot 4 pi by 16 becomes 1, it is pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 means pi means 180 degrees. Here I am writing pi is equal to 180 degrees. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. So cot pi by 4 value is equal to cot 45 degrees, that is equal to 1. This is rough value. So you can understand here this value is 1. Now you can write cot pi by 16 dot cot 7 pi by 16. Here 8 pi by 4. First and last I am writing side by side. Next cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 6 pi by 16. Second and last but second. Next cot 3 pi by 16 into cot 5 pi by 16, right side by side, and into cot 45 means 1. Now we can understand using this one. This is cot pi by 16 into, if we write here cot pi plus pi by 16, it becomes 17 pi by 16. Cot 180 plus theta becomes cot theta only, cot square pi by 16. And if we write here cot 2 pi by 16 into cot, let us create a formula here. Let us create a formula here, students. If I am creating a formula, if a plus b is equal to 90, a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, I want to discuss the formula with you, that if a plus b is equal to 90, that implies b is equal to 90 minus a. Apply cot both sides. That implies cot b is equal to cot of 90 minus a. That implies cot b is equal to tan a. Cot b is equal to tan a. So for cot a, we can cot b we can write tan a. For tan b we can write cot b. So if a plus b is equal to 90, now I am writing cot a into cot b. Considering like this, cot a into cot b. Now you can write cot a into, instead of cot b, you can write tan a. We know that the value cot a into tan a is equal to 1, because identity I said in previous class. Cot a into 1 by cot a, you can write cot a and cot a will be getting cancelled, answer 1. Otherwise for tan a, this is 1 by tan a into tan a will be getting cancelled, answer is 1. So the formula is, I am going to write that formula. If a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, if a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, then cot a into cot b is equal to 1 in the similar way. Similarly, you can write tan a into tan b is equal to also 1. Remember as a formula this one. Now we created a formula. Now you can understand that pi plus this is pi by 16 and this is 7 pi by 16. So pi plus 7 pi by 7 pi becomes 8 pi by 16 becomes pi by 2. Pi by 2 becomes 90 degrees. That implies 8 plus 3 is equal to 1, then cot a into cot b equal to 1. This is 2 pi by 6 pi 8 pi by 16. it is 1, and this is 3 pi plus 5 pi 8 pi by 16, it is 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 becomes 1. This is our answer. This is useful objective formula. This is useful objective formula. Sixth question completed. Let us discuss about seventh question. If 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to 5. Seventh question. If 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to 5, find the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Find the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Now, given 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to 5. We should calculate this one. 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Let this is A. So this is 1 and this is 2. This one we don't know. Simply we are thinking this as A. Now I am writing 1 square plus 2 square. That means squaring and adding both sides. So 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square. 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square plus 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square. 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square is equal to 5 square plus a square. Now this is of the formula a plus b whole square. This is the formula a minus b whole square. You can understand the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 9 sin square theta minus 2 theta 6 4 24 sin theta cos theta 24 sin theta cos theta plus this is 16 cos square theta plus here you can write 16 sin square theta minus 2 4s are here. This is plus, this is minus. Minus 2 4s are 8 24 sin theta cos theta 24 sin theta cos theta plus 9 cos square theta. 9 cos square theta is equal to 25 plus a square. Now you can understand plus 24 sin theta cos theta and minus 24 sin theta cos theta will be getting cancelled. 9 16 sin square theta plus 16 sin square theta. You can write here 25 sin square theta plus in the similar way you can get 25 cos square theta here is equal to 25 minus a square. So this is nothing but 25 because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 25 plus 25. 25 is equal to 25 minus, no it is simply plus a square. 25 will be getting cancelled. A square is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0. So whatever the a we thought, the value we got as 0. Therefore, we can write 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to 0. Depends upon this concept. I am giving a formula to use that. If a sin theta, if a sin theta plus b cos theta, a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to c, this one. Then if a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to c, then a cos theta minus b, for this a sin theta plus b cos theta, then a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to plus or minus square root of c square minus a square plus b square. This is the formula, friends. Here C means 5. 5 square means 25 minus of square root of 4 square plus 3 square. Otherwise 3 square plus 4 square becomes 9 plus 60, 25, 25 minus 25 becomes 0. This is an objective formula. Now let us consider the 8th question. This is IMP 2 marks question for IPT, and another question comes to there IMP 2 marks question. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Prove that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. This is also IMP 2 marks question. IMP 2 marks question. Now, given, you can write given cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. That implies. Now you can write sin theta is equal to this cos theta taken this side, root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. That implies sin theta is equal to cos theta taken common here, it becomes root 2 minus 1. Now multiply by root 2 plus 1 both sides. Multiply by root 2 plus 1 both sides. You can get root 2 plus 1 into sin theta is equal to cos theta into root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1. That implies you multiply here. This is root 2 sin theta plus this is sin theta is equal to, students, you can understand here a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1, root 2 square minus 1. So it is 2 minus 1 into cos theta. 2 minus 1 becomes only 1. So root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equal to cos theta. Depends upon this sin theta taking this side, that depends upon the concept. Simply we are getting here cos theta minus sin theta. This sin theta taking this side. Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. So 8 questions completed. Let us going to discuss about 9th question. Find the value of is giving 2 into sin power 6 theta. Ninth question. Find the value of 2 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. 2 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 into sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. 2 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 into sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. That is equal to, we can write 2 into this one as sin square theta whole cube plus This one as cos square theta whole cube minus 3 into this is sin square theta whole square plus this is cos square theta whole square. Let us remember the formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This formula we should use here. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Next, to use this formula a square plus b square, we should use a plus b whole square minus 2ab for this one. That is equal to 2 into, now you can understand sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube. Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b concept. 3 sin square theta cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is first bracket minus 3 into, here you can understand this is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta total whole square minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Now next step, 2 into, students, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1 cube minus, this is 3 sin square theta cos square theta into 1 minus 3 into this is 1 square minus 2 into this is sin square theta cos square theta. That is equal to 2 into 1 cube means 2 minus 2 3s are sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 minus of minus this is 3 2s are 6, it becomes 6 sin square theta cos square theta. 6 sin square theta cos theta minus 6 sin square theta cos theta becomes this one, minus and plus becomes get cancelled, 2 minus 3 answer minus 1. If the same sum given in objective, then shortcut. Shortcut is put theta is equal to 0 degrees or 90 degrees. The shortcut we can understand that for a sin and a cos, theta equal to 0 degrees, for a sin and a cos and while calculating sin theta comma cos theta, you can put shortcut 0 or 90. Put theta is equal to 45 for others. Others means tan, secant, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. Because if you put 0 or 90, tan 90 will not be defined, not defined, and secant 0 undefined, cosecant 0, secant 90 not defined, cosecant 0 not defined, cot 0 not defined. That is, they don't put 0 there. In the case of theta, in sin and cos, you put shortcut 0 or 90. If you put 0 here, students, 2 into sin 0, this is 0, cos 0 1, 2 into 1 minus 3 into this is 0 plus 1. So simply 2 minus 3 answer minus 2. That is the shortcut for objective. Now let us going to discuss about 10th question. Tenth question. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta whole square prove that tan theta plus cot theta whole square, tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. It is most IMP conceptual question. sec is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta, that also equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. Secant square theta into cosecant square theta. Now take LHS. LHS you can write tan theta plus cot theta whole square. Tan theta plus cot theta whole square. You can write here tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, plus cot theta means cos theta by sin theta whole square. Total overall whole square. That is equal to, we can take LCM in denominator. This is sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Okay, we can write. Now I am taking LCM here, it becomes sin square theta plus this is cos square theta. Overall whole square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta becomes, this is 1 whole square, right? Here it is sin square theta into cos square theta. You can understand this one as 1 by sin theta whole square into 1 by cos theta whole square. 1 by sin theta whole square into 1 by cos theta whole square. So 1 by sin theta becomes cosecant theta square and 1 by secant theta, 1 by cos theta becomes secant theta. So secant square theta into cosecant square theta. Secant square theta into cosecant square theta. We got into. So now we can understand this one same as the same concept. We can understand here 1 by sin square theta into cosecant square theta. In the similar way, we can understand here sin square theta. For 1 you write sin square theta plus cos square theta whole by we can write here sin square theta into cosecant square theta. Now you can write here separately, you write the fractions. Sin square theta by sin square theta into cos square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta into cos square theta. Now cos theta get cancelled, sin square theta get cancelled. Now we got the value as 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. 1 by cos square theta means secant square theta plus 1 by sin square theta meaning is cosecant square theta. So we got the value secant square theta plus cosecant square theta and secant square theta into cosecant square theta. The product of two trigonometric square functions is equal to sum of the same trigonometric square functions, and never possible except secant square theta and cosecant square theta. It is most IMP question. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta, and secant square theta into cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Okay students, let us continue the 11 and 12 somewhat mechanisms. Let us continue in next class.